a self-learning PFMEA to optimize quality risk management. PFMEA, Process Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, is a systematic method used to identify, evaluate, and prevent potential failures in manufacturing processes. Conventional PFMEA, however, relies heavily on expert judgment and can become outdated as conditions change. Flanders Make has developed a data-supported extension of PFMEA that brings a new level of objectivity and cost-effectiveness to quality risk management. The solution combines existing PFMEA documentation with quality control and production data through hierarchical modeling. As new data becomes available, the system automatically updates risk assessments, prioritizes failure modes and causes, and reveals the trade-offs between mitigation cost and impact. In doing so, it transforms a static PFMEA into a living, data-driven system that evolves with every new data point, supporting more informed, evidence-based decisions during corrective and preventive action meetings. Try this demo to find out how manufacturers can make the shift from intuition-driven discussions to continuous, data-backed improvement.